This is one of DJI's newest drones. Excuse me for bumping the camera. I waited for this guy for the longest. It finally arrived, and here we go. I guess this is a strap. So like I said, everything's in this pouch. Yeah, instructions in some language I can't pronounce. I love my stickers. Don't know where to put them. If any of you guys know what you do with your stickers, let me know, because I just got a stockpile full of stickers. And I can say in my experience of buying all those Temu drones, those Wish drones, those AliExpress drones, DJI is probably the best company. I haven't tried Altair, I haven't tried Spectre. There are quite a few other quote unquote supposed to be reputable drone manufacturers that I haven't tried. So, but in my experience, DJI is the best. Just there's no competition, literally. So what is this? This is like a charging case or something. These are the ND filters. ND8, ND32, ND128. These are those big beefy batteries. They're supposed to give us 45 minutes of flight time, but we all know that's in a controlled environment. Oh, it is heavy too. Okay. They came in half. I guess the third one is in the drone. So I'm used to the RC controller. This is the RC2 controller with the OcuSync transmission, which is supposed to improve how well the image looks and how far the drone can go. Feels the same as the RC controller I have. And now for the big guy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That is nice. That is nice. I've never owned a Mavic series drone, and they're saying this is some heavy competition for it. So, oh, this is awesome. I don't know how to snatch this gimbal guard off just yet. Sheesh. And then maybe take it off. What is this? Press here to remove. That is a huge camera. Remove phone. And there you guys have it. Dji Air 3S. It's a beauty. Whew. All right. Till next video. You guys be safe.